It is. Amy Bear. She just woke up. She had a real long 1 minute nap. It was literally like 1 minute.
Oh, baby.
Silly girl. We're gonna go to the dollar store real quick because we have to go get
Can I get something?
we're gonna get a float and we're probably gonna get you a hair bow so you can put your hair back because your bangs are going crazy. So come on, let's go.
I don't like my bangs. I want them cut shorter. Look what I got.
Awesome sauce. So how does it work?
It comes like this and then you have to pop it out. And then you can use it as a brush.
She also got glow stick and the
Glow
float.
sticks. This ain't gonna be a party, is it?
No, tonight. The glow sticks for the fireworks show.
It's gonna be a party in there?
Yep, it's gonna be a party. So we came here to California Pizza Kitchen. Someone got pizza. Me and Uncle Joe did, and we got pasta.
I just started digging in whenever I just saw it.
You were like super hungry. And I got like a chicken pasta. I forgot what it's called. Joe got a mushroom pasta. Like an Alfredo, which looks really yummy. Alright,
Look what I brung back.
let's dig in.
This.
You're silly.
Look
No.
what I got.
That looks so good.
It has a cherry and it has sprinkles on the chocolate chip.
Those are cute. Little chocolate,
I'll try
sprinkle covered chocolate chips.
I'm
Cute.
confused with that.
Is it good though? I mean, like, take a bite, goofball.
And they're like fudge on the bottom.
Mm-hmm. Looks delicious. Only 99 cents.
Cute these things are.
They're so pretty. They're like right here. They're so cute. Careful, it'll bite.
They bite.
Look, he's coming.
Cool.
This one right here. Ooh. They're all saying hi to him. Hey.
Hey, how are you? How was your swim? Was it good? Good. How'd it go? Where are you going, buddy? You didn't tell me how you did with it.
This is what you look like.
Look at that.
It's big.
That's an eagle, right? A seagull?
No, a seagull? I don't know what it was. See the other one coming in?
The water? She's got jealous. I got bread. Gotta go get the flow. Quack, 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 quack.
What's on that?
I'm gonna go to the pool thing, and I'm gonna wear all of these.
And make sure you squeeze your legs too. Trying to give you all the
You
points.
think you're gonna be able to stay on?
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Is that your body armor?
That's a good idea. I like that. Looks like it's part of your shirt.
Oh, look at that. Look back here in the back. The crosses. Or the back brace.
Cool.
Cool
Yeah,
outfit.
wear that. Emma, say yeehaw!
Hold on, baby. Hold on.
Emma! That was too fast. Do it again. Hold on tight. Hold on real tight. 2 hands, real tight. Hold on, hold on, hold on. You're okay. We're waiting for the fireworks.
I'm sweating to death. I'm like really sweaty.
It's hot, very hot.
She bought the fidget spinner game. Oh, is that? It's not like
All right, fireworks about to start in about 15 minutes. because they have to start a little early because that storm is on its way over here.
A fidget spinner? Look at that bag. Oh my goodness, they don't quit ever. Rock 'em.
Getting us some Popeyes.
Yeah, I love Popeyes, but I'm kind of scared of.
What are you scared of?
Cause it's
Popeyes is the best thing ever.
No, I'm scared of the storm.
There ain't no storm. I have not had Popeyes in a long time, huh?
We had Popeyes not that long ago.
Well, we haven't. It's been like at least a couple months.
What?
28.13, please.
Oh,
Any ketchup or anything?
Yes please. Ketchup and hot sauce? Yes please.
Yes,
Are
honey.
you videotaping her?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
No, I'm over to you. Yeah, supposedly there's a storm brewing.
There's
Well,
nothing
looks
brewing.
like a reflection.
It's a slow drip.
Watch, you can see it. See those lightning over there?
Thank you.
It's a lightning.
And it's raining in Austin.
We're nowhere
Coming
near
this way.
Austin.
It's coming this way. Eventually.
And they're gonna move in like just a second. She's taking them around.
That's fine.
Alright, y'all have a good night.
Thank you.
Whoa, big old bag of chicken.
I love
Holy,
Popeyes.
that's like 20 pounds of food.
Baby, can you do me a favor?
Okay.
Can you sit down and put your seatbelt on?
We got red beans and rice, mashed potatoes and gravy. My favorite biscuits. I'm weird. I only eat my sides first.
My friend always wear this.
Your t-shirt? Okay.
Noah's shirt and some shorts.
So I put my chicken
Oh, you missed
in the freezer. It's so weird. I like my chicken cold. Is that weird?
Did you put your chicken in there?
Heck yeah, look.
Again?
You know I like my chicken cold.
That's a weird looking
I know, I'm weird.
That's weird.
I don't like my chicken to be like all like greasy and slimy. I like it to be like cold. Like I always like next day.
Oh yeah,
Fried
kinda.
chicken.
I do too.
Like in the morning you wake up and you eat your fried chicken, it's like all cold.
Mm-hmm.
I like it like that.
Bad boy. No.
Aww.
I'm getting mad at him. That's Uncle Joe for you. We're trying to be sentimental for Romeo.
You saw like him trying to die. He's like someone trying to die.
Emma and I are gonna make some slime, and we're gonna make unicorn slime.
I'm gonna make Galaxy.
And I'm gonna make a unicorn one. So we're gonna mix. We're gonna make like the
He's gonna
fluffy
make
slime.
fluffy slime.
Yeah.
We're both gonna make fluffy slime. She was going to use like the
bees.
crunchy slime.
But I changed my mind. I've decided to do the unicorn
You guys
slime.
could do crunchy unicorn slime.
No, I think I
And
just really,
it will be fluffy.
I think I'd rather just do the fluffy slime. So 1 teaspoon of borax, so 1 cup of warm water, and it's sitting in our cup and it's dissolving. So in the bowl, we're gonna start with 1/2 cup of glue. So go ahead and pour almost all of that. Do not make a mess. So we're gonna put the shaving cream in our cup, and we need about 1/2 cup. Okay, stop. All right, Okay, so now we're gonna put in half a cup
All of it. Put all of it
Of the
if you want
shaving
it to
cream.
be fluffy.
and we're gonna mix it.
You know you can make it fluffier. Don't you want to make it super fluffy?
We're gonna do this. Let me see how it looks.
You shouldn't use all of it.
I don't want to make it to where it's not gonna. If you put too much, it's not gonna turn into a really good slime.
It will be really fluffy though. You make yourself corny whenever you corny starch. Get it?
It's not corny starch. It's
I know. Corny
corn.
starch. Whoa.
Made a mess. So we're gonna add just a little bit of cornstarch. I'm gonna add about, I don't know. Let's do. We're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into the fluff.
The fluff. You poopy slime.
Mix it around.
You can use brown.
Brown.
So slimy. Pour it in, like, pour some in each cup. We just need 3.
So this one, I want to do 4 because I want the green in mine. It's like kind of a runny whipped cream.
Yeah.
Looks like,
Any whipped cream.
almost looks like melted marshmallows.
Yeah.
Looks good, almost good enough to eat. So now we're gonna evenly distribute them into a
Each cup.
cup.
This one's purple.
Okay, so I'm gonna do some green.
And blue.
And here is the green. And now we have the blue.
Oh, that blue is beautiful. That green is like green.
Maybe,
Just green. Just green. It's just green.
maybe
The blue's really pretty. Mom,
I like it.
I like the regular blue. I like it.
Okay, so these are the colors. We have the pink, purple, and teal. And now we gotta get the borax into each cup. So all you have to do is, the borax and the water is already just completely dissolved in the cup.
Yep.
So what we're gonna do is
We're gonna pour a little.
we're gonna use our little bitty scoop
That was a toy.
and
We're gonna scoop some in each.
scoop a little bit and put a little bit at a time in your cup of,
And then you have to mix while you're doing that.
yeah. You wanna mix.
Until like it gets to like the consistency, like consistency.
Consistency.
Yeah, that you want.
So we need a little bit more because it's still kind of sticking to the cup.
I'll mix it while you're doing it. Ooh, it's like clumping up. It's getting clumpy.
So now I'm gonna do the turquoise.
Goy. There's a good goy in the house. But
His name is Joe.
it's not like a regular fluffy slime because we used a little too much. I don't know.
So here is the fluffy slime. Feels cool. Feels
Get those?
fluffier.
Yours?
Kind of mix it around.
Mine's already done.
Yeah, this is a lot more bouncier than regular slime.
It's already.
So I'm gonna mix the 3 colors so that we get that unicorn effect.
I think it's like really crunchy. Like it crunches. It's not like regular slime.
This is our finished slime. It's all cute. It looks like a little unicorn.
Like the unicorn cappuccino that they used to sell.
I wish we had
I'm
that.
gonna put a little beads. Just a little. At like 3.
That's it? Just 3 beads?
Nah, I'm gonna put any. Because it's not really gonna work that well, guys. Guys, I'm scared, Sandra.
I'm right here. Nothing's gonna happen. It's just thunder.
Y'all would probably run away and just save y'all's own lives.